Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to record a video in Slack. So once you're in a Slack chat, guys, speaking with anyone, you can easily record a video by looking at the record button on the lower part of your screen. It will say record a clip. So if you click on that, you'll get a pop-up. It will ask you actually to select your camera. And right here, you can choose whether or not you want to record your camera or if you want to record your screen. So if you want to record your screen, just simply choose whichever screen you want to record. In this case, I'm going to choose this existing one right here as well and click on start to record. And you will see right here that it counts down and it will start to record your screen. And as you can see, I'm moving right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on stop. And here you see the video right here that I've just recorded, and I can simply download the video, or I can go ahead and even set a thumbnail, select a thumbnail from that as well, and then click on done. And you can see right now the video is recorded and it's in Slack, and I can just go ahead and send that. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So Slack make it super easy for you to either record your screen or record a video of yourself, and you can easily send it to a person. Very easy and very simple.